Many artists and composers who are physically challenged use their songs or books to highlight their sufferings in an effort to eliminate the stigma surrounding them. This rings true for Arisi Yani, an totoka artist who defied all odds to achieve his dream as a local composer despite losing his ability to walk properly. JESONI reports Yani won the most popular music video award during the 2020-2021 Fiji Performing Rights Association Music Awards last night.
And the winner is Arisi Yani.
Tears of joy clearly visible on Arisi Yani's face, the award ticking off another dream off his list.
Having lost the ability to walk properly did not deter my quest from pursuing my passion for music. This was something I envisioned during my childhood days in the village. I used to watch artists perform on stage and TV as well. That motivated me to follow suit, and despite my physical status, I managed to compose a few songs since 2020.
Yani says at times he faces exclusion from parts of society, but he's confident to change the narrative.
I want to thank the Lord for His never-ending provision for my life. I have been labeled by society, but my optimism and courage keeps me going daily.
22 awards were given last night, and FIPRA chair Arisi Tabuasei says so much has happened in Fiji's music industry over the past 2 years.
We publicly acknowledge and acclaim the best in the Fiji music industry for 2020 and 2021.
The main 2022 FIPRA Music Awards is happening tonight. JESONI FBC News.